Megalodon, the ride truck, Spin Master Monster Jam Series 13. The other trucks in this series is Backwoods Bob, which is in Retro Rebels. Then we have El Toro Loco in Reckless Trucks. Gravedigger is in Retro Rebels. Thrasher is in Legacy Trucks. Tropical Thunder in Forces of Nature. Racing Stripes is in Crazy Creatures. And Zombie is in Boneyard Trucks. And then Superman is in Heroes and Villain Trucks. So let's go ahead and unbox the Megalodon ride truck. Going to get out the wristband and poster, and we get a nice blue wristband for Megalodon. Nice picture of Backwoods Bob in this series, a poster. So bring in Megalodon the ride truck. Really cool to see the BKT lettering all in white. So let's bring it in a little bit closer. Very nice detail going on. I can see the Monster Jam logo pretty well and everything going on. So really cool. For the body of the truck, turn it around, and then here's what the back looks like. Kind of the stairs right there, folded up. There we go with the seating capacity in the back of the ride truck. And then, of course, each ride truck has this new unique chassis design for this year. You can see it underneath there. And then in the front also, the back again. So that does it for this unboxing of the Megalodon ride truck. Thank you for tuning in.